Hey guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY What? Today we are going over a DIY Valentine's Day wreath for the month of love. So before we get into the logistics of the video, we have to do a few reminders. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. And make sure you comment down below and tell me how much you love the wreath that I'm about to show you guys. And also make sure you share the video with your mom, your best friend, anybody who loves Valentine's Day, and anybody who hates Valentine's Day, because the wreaths will make you feel good when you walk in your door. Just, I'm letting you know now. So that's the logistics and that's the reminders of the business behind YouTube. Now let's get into the video. For the wreath, I went to Joann's and I got most of the materials from there, and I went to the Dollar Tree and I got some of the materials from there. But overall, the whole project only cost about $10, so it was really still really cheap, even though I went to 2 different stores. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. Let's DIY.